Now we are going to discuss another important component in Android development ecosystem about packages. What are the packages? Why do we need it? Let's come to discuss. Packages are organized folder of related classes and an interface. Yes, there is two things, classes and interface makes the packages. There are a large collection of classes and interface in packages. Different purpose we can use different packages. To get idea, here we can introduce with you some package name and a task. Suppose if we want to talk about android.app package, generally we use it for application activity and its life cycle. Activity means user screen. Another packages is android.content package. We can talk about it. We use another content package to use content related resources in inter app communications. When our developing app needs to communicate with another app, another screen, another activity, we can use this package android.content package. Android.view is another important package. Generally we need to use user interface UI related component like view groups, layout inflator in large scale. In that point, in that issue, we can use android.view packages, and in the same way android.widget package. Now we are going to talk. Android.widget package uses to use UI related elements like button, text field, list, etc. Android.os package. Android.os package used for OS operating system related services and utilities. We can use it. Hope that we have a clear concept about packages. It's our organized folder of classes and interfaces. Now we go in depth of classes and then interfaces. What are classes? Before going to understand class, we have to know about template and blueprint. Do you know this? Yes, we know template and blueprints. It's a design, ready-made made design. Yes, it's the design of code. Now in theoretical words, we can say class is a blueprint or template of an object in code. Classes, what classes do? Classes do two things we should know. Number one is storing variables. Number two, taking actions. What it is? It's related. It's receive data and take an action and give an output. And this is classes. In a summary, we can say storing and taking action is its classes main task. Now going to show an example about class name. When we'll go to work in writing code, developing app, we'll come to know this type of class. Suppose activity class, service class, intent class, view class. This I color view class. Activity class, it is used to show single user screen for user, and its most used class is activity class. And service class can be used for long running operations, long running process in the background. In that point, in that issues, in that purpose, we use service class. Now come to intent class. When we need the facility to communicate with the different components, suppose activity to activity or activity to service, service to activity, in that issues, in that purpose, in that fact, we can use intent class. We can throw data via intent class. And a view class is using for all UI components. And another important class is a recycler view class. Recycler view class is a very important class nowadays. When you need to use flexible view with a large data set, then we can use recycler view class. Now come to discuss about interface of packages. It's something much more uh, easier than classes. We have to write pure code for interface. In packages, there has many interface. Actually, on interface, we can use something like an interface is a contract with method definition. In the easy words, we can say when a class implement an interface, the class can get the facility to use its built-in method. And when the class implement the class, it must have to use that method, like the driving license of the car. When the driver take license for his car, he must follow some rules and also can get opportunity while driving um, car. And in this way we can use interface. Hope that we can understand. And for to make us helpful for future, we can show some example. Number one, view dot on click listener. Actually, I want to introduce you with some interface. This is what number one. View dot on click listener. It receive click and do an actions. And the way adapter view dot on item click listener. Uh, when the list in our app and need to click the list of the app list item on the app, then in that point or in that purpose we can use editor view dot on item click listener. And another interface is parcellable interface. It used to convert Java object to another format and pass between components from one activity to another via intent. And another interface is specs watcher for monitoring text changes, lifecycle observer to observe lifecycle events. That is interfaces. Hope that we can understand. Do you have any questions, any queries? Please write it in the comment sections and let me know. Thank you very much.